One of the issues with 717 Bourke Street is its location in Docklands, which has a reputation for strong winds and strong south-westerly winds in particular. We've orientated the building to effectively back into the prevailing wind, and that's by alignment on the site. We've found that we've now been able to ameliorate quite substantially the actual effect of the wind. It doesn't run up and down the facade of the building as might happen traditionally, but the twisting floor plates ensure that the wind is dispersed and pushed over the building at relatively low speeds rather than hitting the face of the facade and running up at high speed. The other way we've looked at giving a comfortable area for people using the building is by the addition of a wind canopy on the podium level, which, apart from giving protection from sun and rain, will also enable the wind as it's pushed around the building to be dispersed out, making the actual walking environment particularly comfortable.